video, another couple of ways for you to make money online. But before I continue, I want to apologize. With the pandemic and everything going on, it's a little difficult to record comfortably. So I gotta find times whenever I can. Right now it's about 12:31 in the morning, East Coast time. So yeah, it's pretty late. I can't really talk as loud as I want, but I'm gonna try to make this work. So bear with me. But anyway, getting back to the important stuff. The first money making method that I have for you today is actually called Twirl. All right. This allows you to essentially rent out your car to other people. If you have a car with a car note, maybe one that, with a really high car note, or you have an extra car laying around, you can essentially rent out your car and get paid for it. Okay. Now you don't need to have like a high-end or a special car. I can show you right now that you've got people with simple cars, Nissan Altima, Dodge Avenger, okay, Elantra, okay, these are simple cars. On the newer side, of course, you don't want to be renting out a beat up car that's unreliable, okay, but they also do have high-end cars, sports cars and stuff like that, okay, and this depends on your car, how much you want to rent it out for the day, but it's a great way. And this is in my area particularly, and as you can see, people are renting out their car all over the place, okay? So this is a legit way to do it, okay? And I'll go back to the other page and you can see right here, share your car whenever you're not using it and earn an average of $706 per month, okay? That's nothing to sneeze at to let somebody use your car for a couple of days, you know what I mean? One of the most important things is if your car is covered or not. That's one of the things people wonder about this. And as you can see, your car is covered up to $750,000 in liability insurance, physical damage, and theft protection. Okay, so you are covered with as far as your car is concerned. Okay, and it's covered by Liberty Mutual. Okay, so if this is something that you're interested in, you can check out Twirl.com. Okay, put your car on the website and you can start earning cash that way. This is pretty simple. You don't really have to do anything but give up the keys and be like, hey, bring my car back. That's about it. Pretty simple. All right, moving on to the next one. This one is a little different. Okay, this one is Airbnb Experiences. Okay, and it's a lot like teaching live courses, okay, but not quite. A lot of people here aren't teaching courses, they're giving you a live experience. So like, let me see if I can pull it back up. Here we go. You've got this person that's doing a master class with a national judge with coffee tasting. Okay, you have this person doing like mobile photos and stuff like that. Okay, I mean there's different things. Okay, it's supposed to be less of a course and more of a experience. You're sharing an experience. Okay, pretty different. As you can see, these are pretty high quality. Okay, so you really want to be set up if you want to do this, but as you can see, they're charging per person because it's not like a Skillshare course where there's just a bunch of people watching your course. Okay, it's more of like a personal thing, like a one-on-one type of thing. It's like your personal experience. Okay, so that's why I was, kind of like going on the course type of thing. It's like a one-on-one experience. Okay, it's different. Okay, you don't see a lot of other platforms doing something like this. So, I mean, if this is something you're interested in, like I said, there's plenty of different things here. Taste testing, photography. You've got this person cocktail tasting. Local expert history walk. I got that backwards for some reason. But yeah, it's just so many different things on here that's kind of like a one-on-one experience type of ordeal. So if you're interested in that, that's something that you can check out as well. Okay, moving on to the next one. And funny thing, I just realized that my mic isn't on, so I'm hoping that my laptop is picking this up. I probably have to clean up the audio a little bit, but hopefully this is picking it up, or this whole thing is going to be a waste. So got my fingers crossed there. But anyway, getting back to it. We have Etsy. If you're into arts and crafts and things like that, creating things, Etsy is a good site. A lot of people use Etsy. As a matter of fact, my mother creates spiritual beads, and she posts them on sites like Etsy and Mercari and things like that. And this is something that you can do too. You have people who make homemade masks because of what's going on, sanitizers, like I said, beads and stuff like that, cups, posters, paintings, you name it, you can find it on the site. Okay, and as you can see, people are selling for like really high for some of this stuff. Okay, so that's a good way for you to make cash online. Okay, like I said, Etsy is known, it's pretty big, and they have some options for you, some paid options to actually put your stuff out there front and center. Okay, so again, it's one of those sites that you could make something, okay, especially if you have like a creative touch. Okay, so the last one that I have today is Anchor. Now this is a podcasting app, okay, for those of you who like to talk. Okay, you can start your own podcast. All right, and it's pretty easy. You don't need anything special. You just sign up and download the app and get started. The way you monetize it with Anchor is that, where are you at? See if I can find it for you real quick. The way that you get paid is that they have sponsors, okay? And the way it works is that you don't necessarily you don't need to have like a large listener count, okay? They have sponsors for people of all different levels, so you don't have to worry about getting turned down as far as monetization wise because you don't have a lot of listeners or subscribers or things like that. They have a sponsor program that will help you with that, okay? And it, again, it's for people of all levels. Okay, so it's definitely worth checking out. Okay, so these are the websites that I have today, the opportunities for you to make money online today. Check them out. Okay, see if any of them are to your liking. I try to mix them up and not give you like one thing over and over again because a lot of people like different things. We're not all into the same thing, so I try to give you a little bit of variety. Okay. But that's all I got for today's video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and share this out, guys. And I will catch you in the next video. Take care.